The mysterious ancient well that imprisons the sacred dragon makes a strange sound. The ancient well named Toa Long in Beijing, China causes great curiosity. Some people reported hearing mysterious sounds coming from the well. Local people even rumored that there was a dragon sealed at the bottom of the well. Located in the northeast corner of the Bac Tan Kieu intersection, Beijing, China, the ancient well named Toa Long, known to many people for its many curious mysteries. The first is that on the wall of Toa Long well there is a string tied, large iron chain. Some people reported hearing a terrifying roar coming from the well. If someone pulls the chain up, there will be a stream of black water gushing out from the well. More mysteriously, local people tell each other stories about a dragon imprisoned under Toa Long well. The long chain on the wall of the well was used to chain this beast. Legend has it that in 1421, Minh Thanh To moved the capital from Nanjing to Bac Binh, now Beijing. During the process of moving the capital, Minh Thanh To continuously encountered obstacles when constructions had just been completed, and a few days later, they were struck by lightning, caught fire or damaged. Therefore, many mandarins under Minh Thanh To's reign persuaded the dynasty the king should not move the capital. Some rumors even say that Minh Thanh To was alarmed by a dragon guarding the treasure in Bac Binh, so it went on a rampage by causing a great flood. Minh Thanh To invited Dieu Quang Hieu to deal with this dragon. This is a talented master of the three teachings and is known as the reincarnation of Long Arhat. With extraordinary talent, Dieu Quang Hieu subdued the dragon and sealed it under a well and used a chain to tie it up. That well is Toa Long well. Before the anecdotes about Toa Long well, scientists used modern tools and techniques to examine this place. Accordingly, they discovered that the well was connected to an underground river. The ghostly sound that some people heard thought it was a dragon growling was actually the noise created by friction between the chain and the wall of the well. Although the experts checked the bottom of the well, they did not discover any dragons or monsters.